Hi everyone, my November box is here and I changed my profile completely. Let's see what I got. Hi everyone, my Stitch Fix is here for November and I changed my style profile completely. As you know, in my previous boxes I've been getting a lot of workwear, so I wanted to get away from that. This is a pretty big box, so this is going to be a true unboxing. My setup is a little different, so I hope you like this. So this box is pretty dirty, so we're just going to take everything out and then get rid of it and put it on the ground. Ooh, I got shoes. Let's see what else. Oh, here's all the information. So if you're interested in Stitch Fix, I'm going to leave my referral code below. If you click on that, and it'll take you to Stitch Fix, you create a profile, you answer the questions, and you'll get a free styling fee for your first box, and then I'll get a referral credit. So if you're interested, just check out the referral link below. So here's our information. Here's our send back bag, which my hubby's going to have to send back bag. Hopefully the address wasn't showing. Send back bag. So, and all our information, which we'll go over. Ooh, I got a couple bundles. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is fuzzy. Ooh, feels like a blanket. Okay, so there's one. And then let's get this out of the way here. Drop that box. Put a towel underneath it because it was dirty. All right. Ooh, look at our burrito. So we've got a cream and a burgundy and some jeans. I like those. Those are they're fall colors. They look good. All right, so let's start off by opening the shoes because I love shoes. So let's do the shoes first. Hopefully we got something very fall. They're heavy, so I'm assuming. Oh my goodness. Ooh, those are nice. Now, I don't know about some of you, but that might be just a little too high for me, but I'll have to try it on and see. But these are beautiful. I really like those. So I'll be interested to see if I can walk in these. So let's put this off to the side and see what else we got. Let's try the fuzzy blanket. Ooh. So I'll go over all the prices and the actual name of the items when we do our recap. Oh my goodness. What do we got here? This is from Kenneth Cole. Oh. Hope everyone can see. This is a like jacket. Oh, it's super soft. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, nice. Got a little... Oh, look at the inside. It's lined. It's got like a cheetah print. Super soft. Love the lining inside, but we'll have to see how it looks when we try it on. It's like wearing a teddy bear. Anyway. Alright, so let's get to the burrito. And let's see what we've got. All right. Oh, it's 3 bundles in one. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, interesting. We've got a mixed material, like Henley t-shirt. This is by Paper Moon. And here is the back. And it's looking a little red on camera, but I can tell you it's definitely a burnt orange. And I'm not opposed to it, but I'll have to see what it looks like on. So that's cool. Very nice. Ooh, something in burgundy or wine color. Oh, it's a sweater. Okay, very nice. So we got the little cross front detail and some embroidery right here. And it is in a wine color. And this is by, who is this by? BB Dakota. I can't tell. And my skies are blue. Sorry, skies are blue. All right, so we'll have to try that on. And last but not least, we've got some jeans. Oh, we got some distressed jeans. So we got distressing on the pocket here. No distress, well, maybe a little bit of distressing at the bottom. Some distressing on the pockets and like fading in here. That's pretty cool. It's called silver jeans. And these are an 18W, so we'll have to see how these fit. But I asked for a dark pair of dark wash denim and they listened, so very cool. So I'm really excited. This is completely different than the last box. The last box was more career-minded. So I wanted to go a bit more casual, and I think they managed to do that from the looks of it. So we're going to pause right here. I'm going to go try everything on, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So I have on, let's talk about this shirt. This is the Paper Moon shirt with the mixed material in the back. And I really like the orange in the back here. I kind of wish this was orange with these color arms, almost like a baseball tee would have been better. I'm not a big fan of like this color all over. The jeans fit pretty good. They're low rise, so they're like falling in the back, so it's kind of the bend test doesn't pass very well. But I mean, I like the jeans, they're really cool. I wouldn't wear them with these shoes. Can you see the shoes? The shoes, they're a little too short for these shoes, and as much as I like these shoes and they're gorgeous, they're too high for me, and they're, I think, a half a size too small, so they're not very comfortable. But I'm going to try on the jacket, and this is the Kenneth Cole, like the teddy bear jacket, so I'm going to try this on. Tell me what you think, because I can't really see what it looks like. Is it too fluffy? Does it make me look too fluffy? There we go. How's that? Does it have pockets? Oh, it has pockets. Nice. Got those little silicone things in them. It was comfortable. Oh, I may not care what it looks like. It's like soft. It's like you get stressed out, you could just touch your jacket. It feels good. So, so far, I'm not sure. I'm going to take a look in the mirror ahead of time, but if you want to give me your feedback on the jacket, please let me know what you think. I don't know. I think it's too big. No, it's got some room. I don't know. I'll have to look, but you let me know. But I can tell you, the shirt is probably a no-go for me. It's a little see-through. I really like the back, though. I love this pattern. I just kind of, like I said, I wish it was a baseball tee instead. The jeans are awesome, but they're too low, so the bend test doesn't work. And the shoes are half size too small. They're gorgeous, but they're too tall for me. So I'm going to put on a different pair of boots with these jeans, and I'm going to try on the red sweater, and I'll be right back. All right, we're back, and I have the wine or burgundy colored, maroon colored sweater on. I'm going to come up close so you can see the embroidery in the crisscross detail here. So let me come up real close. So this right here, if you're looking at, this is, when I was looking in the mirror, it's kind of a little like pulled or a little, I don't know, it's like it's not even. So, and then when you've got the embroidery right here, but I really love the color of the sweater, and it's super comfortable. It fits fantastic. I'm going to back up so you can see. Turn around so you can see the back. I'm still wearing those jeans. I really like those jeans. If they were a little higher waisted, I'd be like, yay. And then I put on my boots. These are a little more my style. I think they're like a 1-inch heel. But I'm going to try the jacket on with this maroon colored sweater just to see how it looks. Oh, see, I can wear a sweater with this jacket. And it's not tight. Oh, that's nice. So how's that look? Is that cool? Am I cool? Am I cool? No. See the inside? It's really cool. I like that. Oh, I like this. So I think we are going to come back and let's recap and let's go over the pricing because that's going to determine a lot. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So let's go over the price sheet and we'll talk about each item. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see the price sheet. So this is Stitch Fix number 30 for me. And on the first item on here are the silver jeans. And let me get those real quick. And I really like these jeans. They had really good stretch. The only problem with these was that it was a low rise and it was just too low. When you bend over, you don't want to see all of that. So these are the Elise Distress Boot Cut Jean in Indigo, size 18W for $88. And I really like them, but they're just too low rise, so that's just not going to work for me. So we're going to be sending those back. The second item on the list is Skies Are Blue let me start again. The second item are Skies Are Blue Beringer embroidery detail pullover sweater in burgundy, and that's the one that I really liked. It's this one here with the detail, and this is $58, so not a bad price for that. That's reasonable. It was very comfortable. Okay, then the next item was Paper Moon Marisol Mixed Material 3/4 sleeve burnt orange, and it's $44. And that's this one here. And I really liked the back pattern. I love this here. And like I said, if it was like this, like a baseball tee, I think that would have been awesome. But because the front is the white and it's a little sheer, I'm gonna have to pass on this. But bummer, I really like that. Okay, and that was $44. The Kenneth Cole Georgie Long Faux Fur Jacket in tan, $108. So that's the teddy bear jacket. And that's a little pricey, but I mean, it is lined. It is super soft. It has pockets, so it's just a matter of how it looked on me. So if I could get your feedback and you let me know if you like this jacket or not, it may determine whether or not I keep it or not. So, all right, and then the last item was the Lucky Brand. I don't think I said what brand they were. The Lucky Brand Yarda Suede Booty in, oh, they call this burnt orange. I think it's more of a burgundy. But what's really cool is it has the zipper on both sides. So I like that very much. It's a rounded toe, so if you can see that. This is too high for me. I need to be more like here. Or if it's this high, it has to have some kind of platform on to kind of balance it out. And they were a half size too small. So I'm going to have to pass on these. And these were $129. So if I were to keep everything, it was $427. The buy all 5 discount was $106.75, bringing my total to $320.25. So we're not going to get the whole box because not everything worked for me. So I think the things that I am really considering are, one, the burgundy sweater and the Kenneth Cole jacket. This was $108. So if you like this jacket or you think it looked good on me, please let me know by leaving a comments below. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with the burgundy sweater. I think it looks really good, and I like this color for fall and into Christmas. So, but until next time, I think this was a really good success with changing my profile and updating it and getting away from work clothes. I think this is more me. So until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell your friends about it, come and visit us. We really appreciate all your support. And from Midlife Crazy, I'm Kimberly. Bradford's behind the camera, and we'll see you later.